So here we have 1, 2, so 2 screws. After remove, you can take out this board, take out and put here. After put here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, you take out. So this one you can move a little bit, kind of like this. So if you after take out this one, you still have 4 screws. So this one is from here, yeah. So take out 1, 2 screw, take out, and this one you move. This one move up to this position, so you can have position to take out this screw, and then this one you move this corner to the top, so you can have position to remove this screw and take out this one. Now you have position to reach this. So this is connecting to the servo. So 2 screw secure, this screw secure, this screw secure. So now you can put it back and check here. 看一下那里 this metal bar still there, yeah. Put position, so it is locked in position. Now this one you have to put from this corner. They have space to hook up on the wires inside. Only from this corner have space to push and hook up on the wire. Try. Yeah, now hooked up, you see, moving the wire. Okay, so now put it in the middle. Okay, now it's in position. So now hook up, so push. Not yet. This one push all the way to here, yeah. So hooking on the wire, push like this, and then you put this one. Put in position. And then you put this one. Yeah, so then put the screw. This longer screw. Yeah. Short, longer, put the longer one so it can hook up the wire, lock the wire. It's two. Okay, now this short one. Okay, so now the wires are hooked up. Now you can move it. So push it all the way to inside, push, and then this one, the rock arm, you push inside the servo, like this angle. So push, now it is already in engaged position. Before you assemble, it is at this position. Now you put same position and push into the servo. So also later you put the screw to lock it. Yeah. So then one by one, this one you put into position. Oh no, first this one. You put it back. I have to lock tight. So first put 4 screws on there, so later will be easy to put. And this one, the corner lift up a little so this one can reach inside. Yeah, then lift up this side a little so you can reach this one. and lock it. Yeah, it is already locked. So now you can lock this one and this one. So later you put this back. So for screw, now you can lock like this. Then you can put this back. You have to lift up a little, align this pin. Yeah, aligned. Then this side to put the two screws. Align the hole. Okay, same. You align the hole from this side and put the screw. Yeah. And later, good, so secured. And this wire, 1 minute. One of the wire are loosed. So this wire, it is put in like this. And then you put this 4 screw, 1, 2, 3, 4, secure, so finish.